Hello and welcome to another tutorial on HowTv. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to win both team score. Both team score. Both team score. All you need is one goal on both teams. Both team score, man, you are good to go. So let's get started. Download this Excel sheet. Is HowTv news prediction both teams to score. You're going to see it on the link below the description. Download it, and also you will see this www.prosoccer.gr. You will see it also. You just click on it, or you can also just type it on your web browser. Then you are good to go. You will be here. You will see a lot of games that is for that day, or you can just scroll down and you will see the days. So this is Saturday game, Saturday 15 September 2018, and I'm going to show you how to win every day. Win big, man, every day. So now this is a predict prop %1. That means the home prediction. This is the draw, this is away, this is the tip, this is over 2.5 goals, and this is final score. Now, listen, make sure whatever team that you are looking out for, make sure that they have these numbers. For example, here, we are looking out for 46, 25, 29. So let's start with 46, 25, 29. You can also do Control F for the search box to come out here. We say 46. 46. We don't have it here. Okay, let's scroll. 46. No, 46. 25. There is no 46. We only have 45, 26. So be conscious. Any number can be a disaster, man. So you have to look out for the real number that I've given to you. So 45, 26, 29. Let's look out for 45. 45. 45. 45, 30. 45, 31. 45, 30. Let's look at 40, 28. Okay, here we go. 40, 28. 40, 28, 32. So you see, we see 40, 28, 32. Here we go. Now, this is the over 2.5 goal. As you can see, over 2.5 goal. You make sure that it's above 50. Please make sure it is above 50. 40, 28, 32. So these are the numbers. What I mean, these are the numbers. You can search for these one after the other. Search for this. Search for this. If you don't see 46, 25, 29, you can search for 45, 26, 29. But make sure that you have above 50% of over 2.5 goals on this site. Make sure that whatever number that is here is above 50 on over 2.5. So let's go. So when you get the number, that is the game that you are going to play. Play it, both team score, and you will win. So I think we understand this very well. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel for more videos. So thank you very much and have a nice day. This is HowTv.